Hello, we are here to teach you how to set up your wireless intercom yourself. Now let's unbox this. When you get your wireless intercom, what should be inside? First of all, it comes with a charger and then this baby. Now, when you want to use your wireless intercom, you have to plug it to light. You have to have power supply around you. You're losing this. Now that you have loosened your wire, you can have to plug it to a power source. When that is done, you turn it to the back, and there you see the off and the on button. You turn it on. Now it's on. Now we go to configuring it. Now, how do you do that? You have to press number 1 and number 8 at the same time for 4 seconds. Now you may say, oh, how do we know we have counted down to 4 seconds? You will hear a beep. So let's do that. Now it's ready to configure. Now what's the first thing you do? What's the first thing you set? You set your ringtone. For you to do that, you have to press number 8. Now this is an option. There are different options, so many varieties you can pick from. There's another one, as much as your heart desires. Now for you to increase or decrease the volume, you press number 7. So that is this. You can increase and decrease the volume and set it at any variety you want. Now for you to confirm the setting, you take up this and put it down, and that's the set. Now that our ringtone is set, you have to stay tuned and watch us out for our next video where I teach you how to set up your call ID, how to make calls between two wireless intercoms. Bye for now.